How to fix update error 0xc1900204 on Windows 10. To fix update error 0xc1900204 on Windows 10, try 1. Run pre-upgrade validation check via Windows setup.exe. Run this setup.exe/auto upgrade /quiet/no reboot /dynamic update disable /compat scan only command as admin. 2. Unplug all external devices from all computers. 3. Update all drivers to the latest version using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Disable network security and firewall software. 5. Run chkdsk on your computer.